The marble bust by Joseph Chinard, a French sculptor, has come to the lab for treatment. The bust was in great need of cleaning since quite some time, and I suppose it required a request for loan to bump it up in the priorities. Following an overall examination, the work was also viewed under ultraviolet light, which revealed some nice details. It showed where the wax layer was still in place, which was applied at some point over all the surface. The dirt sits on top of the wax layer, can be removed much easier than where the wax layer is missing and the dirt had a chance to actually get ingrained into the marble surface. The crown, who was repaired in 1970, which had missing elements, they were replaced, and of course they fluoresced very strongly under ultraviolet light. Due to time constraint, it was necessary to have everyone engaged in the Sculpture Decorative Arts Lab, and it became a wonderful collaborative effort with all three conservators cleaning the sculpture. During cleaning, most of the wax layer was removed, and in order to protect the surface from future ingrained dirt, it was rather important to apply a new wax layer. In order to protect the sculpture during transit, it was rather very important to have the sculpture created in the best way possible. And with today's technology, we know that double crating is the best way of protecting a work. So the inner crate requires an interior fit-up, and we have two technicians who worked endless hours of carving contoured at the foam blocks in order to basically encapsulate the bust inside its inner crate, and then the inner crate riding on the appropriate amount of foam to serve as a shock and vibration absorber. I was very pleased to see it in Montreal. We're all the more pleased because it does go together with our mandate of showing our collection broadly throughout Canada or even throughout the world. In this case, not too far from home, but nevertheless.